Let's make it hoverable. Let's go to chat sidebar component HTML, and here let's add some classes. Let's add for hover bg slate 200 and make it cursor pointer hover rounded md. Let's give some border gray 100 and pi. Let's add px3, save it, go to browser. Now we can see hover effect. Let's add here border. Let's add here border b and make it busy white, save it. You can see now we have beautiful sidebar. Let's add padding for this image. Let's go to chat window component HTML and add here p4, save it. We can see now we have little space here. Okay, let's test online user. So let's copy this link and open browser in by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N and paste here. Let's log in our application from another user. Let's log in our application. We don't see here active status, so let's open developer tool, Ctrl+Shift+I, and we can see here authentication issue 401 unauthorized request. So let's go to program and check our authentication. So let's open program.cs. Okay, this is our bearer event and access token. Look, we have here type of error, so let's make it hops, save it, and let's restart our application. Ctrl+C and .NET was run. Let's go to browser and refresh here. You can see now user is active. So let's log out. We still see here status online. So after logout, let's disconnect our connection. So let's go to chat service and disconnect connection. Okay, let's check if this hub connection state equal to hub connected state. Let's make it string equal to and connected. Then let's stop connection, this hub connection stop, and let's catch it. Console.log. Let's go to chat sidebar component ts, and here let's disconnect this chat service disconnect connection, save it, go to browser and take a look, and let's log in. You can see active status. Let's log out and status changed to inactive. Let's log in again. Let's log in. We can see right here. So let's log out once again. Log out. Okay, let's implement this chat right sidebar section. Display detail of current open chat user detail. Let's open terminal and create component in gc components right sidebar. This is chat right sidebar and skip test inline style. Enter. Let's open Explorer and inside client src app and component we can see chat right sidebar. So let's open service and implement current open chat. Let's say current open chat signal user or null. Initial state empty object is user, and go to chat right sidebar component HTML. Let's add div and give class p3, class flex cool, text center, item center, empty3, and let's render image with class rounded full, mb4, w44, s44, object cover, and src. Let's inject chat service here. Chat service, inject chat service here. Let's add chat service dot current open chat dot profile picture, alt profile picture, set close, and let's add another div here. Let's give class ml3, and let's add paragraph tag with class text lg, font semi bold. Okay, here let's render name of current open chat user, chat service dot current open chat dot full name, make it title case, go to component ts and import title case 5, save it, and let's add here another paragraph tag, give class of text sm, text gray 500, and let's render here chat service dot current open chat dot username, save it. Let's go to chat component HTML, and here let's render app chat right sidebar, save it. Let's go to chat sidebar component and check for got it, and check if chat service dot current open chat, then render it, save it, and let's run our application. And backend.net was run, open. Okay, let's first of all log out our application and log in again. We can see here profile picture, alt tab. Let's go to chat service and let's pass here null. Let's save it and go to browser. We can see empty right sidebar right now. So let's implement this click event for user in chat left sidebar. Let's close all by pressing Ctrl W and open chat sidebar component HTML, and we need to here click event, and let's go to component and declare one method, chat window, and let's add here, let's accept user of type user, and this dot chat service dot current open chat dot set user, save it, and let's call open chat window and pass here user, save it, save it and go to browser. Let's take a look. Let's click this one. We can see here and test user, test1 to user. So we have implemented click event here. Now let's implement this chat window, this message box. Let's close this one and open chat window. Here let's cut it and let's check if chat service. Let's inject chat service here. Chat service, inject chat service, save it, go to component HTML, chat service dot current open chat. If it has value, then we can print chat window and render chat window, otherwise else. Let's paste it, save it. Let's go to browser. We can see we don't have open chat, so let's print here something. Let's chat opened. Go to browser. Let's click this one. We don't see these images. Let's design our chat window here. Let's add div of class relative w full bg. Let's add here dfe 7f1 as full. Inside this div, let's add another div. Let's give class chat header and just flex, justify center, justify between, item center, border v, w full, bg white, v4. Inside this div, let's add another div and span. Let's give class font bold, leading normal, and let's render here chat service dot current open chat dot full name, make it title case. Let's go to component and import title case pipe. Let's break, let's add vr and add span. Let's add class of text green 400, text sm font bold. Let's print here chat service dot, let's say status method inside chat service. Let's pass here chat service dot current open chat dot username. Let's control click here and declare method status. Let's click this status and let's copy this one at the end. Let's paste here. Let's say username here of type string. This will return string const current chat user, this dot current open chat. If not current chat user, then return offline, otherwise let's check for constant online user, this dot online users dot find. Let's say user goes to user dot username, this return here online user dot is typing. Let's say typing 1 2 3 dot, and otherwise this dot is user online. Let's check for, and let's create this method here. Let's select online user, this dot online users dot find user goes to user.username this dot, let's make it string equal to this dot current open chat dot username. Let's return here online user dot is online. Let's make it online, otherwise this dot current open chat dot username. Let's make it a string. Save it, go to component HTML and add here exclamation, save it, go to browser, let's click this one. Now we can see name and username. Let's go to here and after this div let's add another div. Let's add class, let's add mat icon, give class cursor pointer, hover text rate 500 and let's pass here video call and let's go to component TS and import mat icon module, save it, go to component HTML, let's save it, open browser, click this one, you can see video icon is here. Let's move it up and let's save it, click here, we can see here video icon. Let's add here div test and let's add another div here and add class absolute flex item center bottom 0 border T W full PG white P4 and inside here let's add input type text, let's input event ng model message let's give class W full VG grade 200 focus outline none, text grade 900, border rounded full px6 p2. Let's add here placeholder type message dot let's self close and let's go to component TS and import forms module message of type string and initialize null. Let's go to browser, save it and go to browser. We can see here input field. Let's add button here, mat icon, click event, send message, class ml5, cursor pointer, hover text blue 900 and let's say send, save it, go to component TS and add here send message method, save it, go to browser, let's click here, we can see message box with send. Okay, let's render chat messages. So first of all, let's go to VS Code, and inside modal let's add message.ts, and let's declare interface here. Interface export interface message, and here let's give ID of number, sender ID, string or null, receiver ID, string or null, content, string or null, created date, string, and is read boolean. And let's create another component. Let's click plus icon and go to client project, and let's generate component. Inside component let's generate chat box, skip test, and inline style. Okay, chat box is created. Let's go to chat service, and here let's add, first of all let's declare here chat messages. Let's make it small e, and initialize with signal message list, and here let's make it empty array, control dot, and import model. Okay, let's go to bottom, and here let's add this dot hop connection dot on receive message list. Let's add here message, and let's say this dot chat message dot update message goes to, let's say, message and messages, make it s and messages. Let's create loading flag. Is loading signal boolean, let's say true for let's update this dot is loading dot update false. Okay, let's open chat box HTML and go to component, inject chat service. Let's go to chat box component HTML, remove this one and add div. Let's add of class flex chat box cost py2 border 20 pixel, border transparent, flex cool, inside div let's add another div of class s100. Let's check if chat service dot chat messages chat message dot length is greater than 5. Then let's add div of class text center py1 sticky top 0 w full. Inside this div let's add bottom class text gray 500, and text xs shadow px5 py2 rounded full bg gray 200 hover text gray 700 focus outline none. Let's add inside button. Let's check if chat service dot is loading. Then let's enter div of class flex item center gap 2. Let's add helmet spinner and let's add diameter 20, diameter 20, and let's go to component and import. Let's import mat progress spinner. Let's import mat progress spinner from angular slash material slash progress spinner bar spinner progress spinner. Let's add here stroke width 3 and let's say here let's add loading, otherwise else load more. Let's go to chat window component HTML and let's remove this text and add app chat box. Self close this. Let's close all. Let's iterate chat messages for item of chat services dot chat messages track by item dot id, and let's check here if item dot sender id is not equal to auth service. Let's inject auth service inject auth service dot current logged in user dot id. Then let's render here div and give class flex mb3 flex row item center justify start. Inside this div let's add another div and give class flex item center justify center s10 w10 rounded full, and let's say bg gradient to r from green 400 to blue 500, and let's say flex string 0. Inside this div let's add image img and let's bind src chat service dot current open chat dot profile picture. In alt let's add alt chat service dot current open chat dot full name, and let's give class rounded full h8 w8. Let's self close this tag. After this div let's add another div class chat message bg white p4 rounded LG ML2 shadow SM. Let's add here span and give class text SM, text gray 800, and block. Let's render here item.content, and let's add another span here and give class text right, text gray 400, text 10 pixel, and block empty 1. Let's render here item dot created date. Let's add date 5. Insert. Let's go to component ts and import here date 5. Let's add else here and let's add here div and give class flex, flex row, item center, justify int empty mb3. Let's add another div and give class chat message bg blue 600 p4 rounded lg mr2 shadow sm, text white. Let's add here span and give class text sm and block. Add here item.content. Let's add another. Let's copy this one and paste here. Let's make it 200 and text xs, and here after this chat message let's add another div, give class flex, item center, justify center is 10 w10 and rounded full, bg gradient to r from blue 500 to purple 500, flex ring 0, and let's copy this image from here and paste it here. Add here empty block and let's render div, class flex, flex cool, item center, justify center is full. Let's copy this from here and paste here, and let's check if chat service dot is loading, then render head matte spinner, diameter 40, stroke width 3, this in else block. Let's add matte icon, class text gray 400, chat icon, let's say chat, go to component and import icon module. Let's import matte icon module, let's add here s6 tag and give class text center text gray 500 and just display message here, no message 8. Save it. Okay, let's open chat service, and here we have received message list. Let's copy this one and go to chat hub CS, and let's go to load message. Inside this, let's fix this typo, receive message list, save it, and let's go to chat service and let's create load message method. Here let's add load messages method, page number of type number. Here let's say this dot hub connection dot invoke, let's invoke load messages. Let's go to chat hub CS and we have, let's search for load messages, this one. So let's copy this one and paste here. This dot current open chat dot id, let's pass page number here, dot then dot cache, and finally let's update our loading state is loading dot update false. Save it, and let's go to chat sidebar component TS, and here let's call this dot chat service dot load messages. Let's pass one here for now. Save it, let's run our application. cd client npm start cd api .NET was run. Let's open our application. Let's log out and log in. Let's open this one. We see no message yet. Okay, let's insert message manually for now. Open database, Ctrl Shift P, and open database. Let's select ChatDB. Let's open Explorer and SQLite Explorer, and let's expand ChatDB. Let's click this icon. So our messages table is currently empty, so let's insert message. So first of all, let's click this ASP.NET users and let's copy this ID for sender, and here let's right click and new query insert, and let's say one and sender ID. Let's go to SQLite and copy another receiver ID. Let's copy this one and paste here, comma, say content test content, and created date to 025/222, and let's make it true. Let's select, right click and run selected query. Let's click this messages, and now we can see one message test content. So let's go to browser and test our application. Let's click this one. We have no message yet, so let's click this test one to user. We can see test user here, so we can see test content. So this is sender, and let's add another data. Let's rename this one. Let's swap this for receiver, and let's cut it, paste here. Let's say 2. Let's right click and run selected query. Now let's click this message. We have 2 messages, So let's reload this one, and now we can see test content and test content. So here let's set current login user image. Let's remove this one, let's close this one for now, and this one let's go to chatbox component ts, chatbox component html. Let's remove this one, auth service dot current logged in user dot profile image, profile picture, and here remove this one and add auth service dot current login user dot full name. Save it, go to browser, and let's click this one. We don't have current user profile pictures,